In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Notion widgets to your desktop step by step using Notion's built-in templates and widget databases. This is perfect if you want quick access to clocks, calendars, trackers, or productivity widgets right from your desktop using Notion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, add, and organize Notion widgets so they feel like a desktop dashboard. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and productivity guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to your workspace. On the left sidebar, click on New Page. This will create a fresh page where you can add and manage your widgets. You can name this page something like Desktop Widgets or My Notion Dashboard, so it's easy to recognize later. This page will act as the home base for all the widgets you want to access quickly. Next, once your new page is open, look near the top of the page and click on Templates. Notion templates are pre-built layouts created by Notion and the community, and they make it very easy to add advanced features without building everything from scratch. Clicking Templates opens the template gallery where you can search for exactly what you need. In the template search area, type in Notion Widget or Widget Database. From the results, look for options related to Notion widgets and databases. These templates usually include clocks, calendars, habit trackers, counters, and other useful visual tools. Click on the template that matches what you're looking for so you can preview it before adding it to your workspace. After you find a widget template you like, click on the Add button. This will instantly add the widget database to your Notion workspace. Depending on the template, it may create a full database page or a collection of widgets that you can customize. Give Notion a moment to load everything, especially if the template includes multiple widgets. Once the template is added, click on the highlighted area or main database inside the page. This is where all the widgets are stored. From here, you can browse through different widget options and choose which ones you want to display. Take your time exploring, because many widget databases include more tools than you might expect. Now, switch the database view by clicking on Gallery. The gallery view makes widgets much easier to see visually, which is ideal when you're setting up a desktop-style layout. In this view, you can quickly scroll through widgets, open individual ones, and rearrange them to match your workflow. From here, you can open any widget you like and customize it if the template allows it. Many widgets let you change colors, formats, or data sources. Once your widget page is ready, you can keep this Notion page open on your desktop, pin it in your browser, or use the Notion desktop app so it functions like a desk or dashboard on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully added Notion widgets and organized them in a way that works like a desktop dashboard. This setup is great for productivity, daily planning, and quick access to important information. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.